In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sound effects on Duolingo. If you're someone who prefers a quieter learning environment or needs to save battery life on your device, knowing how to disable these sounds can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening the Duolingo app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account, so you have access to all of the features we're going to discuss. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're inside the app, pay attention to the bottom navigation bar on your screen. Next, you'll need to tap the profile icon, which is located in the corner, usually at the bottom right. Your profile is where you'll find various settings, including the ones that control sound effects. After selecting the Profile tab, your personal dashboard will appear, showing your username and various other options related to your learning progress. What you want to do now is look for the gear icon, typically found somewhere near the top of your profile screen. The gear icon leads you to the app settings, and it's here that we can customize the audio options to better fit your preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll through the list of settings until you find the section labeled Sound Effects. It's usually not too far down the list, but make sure you don't rush through it as there are several options listed. The sound effects section is where you can manage how much audio feedback you receive during your Duolingo lessons. You'll see a toggle switch next to sound effects. It's pretty straightforward from here. Simply tap on the switch to disable sound effects. If the toggle is green or blue, it means sounds are enabled. Tap it once and it should turn gray, indicating that sound effects have been turned off. If you've completed this, you've successfully turned off sound effects on Duolingo. This change allows you to focus more on what you're reading and learning without the additional auditory feedback. Remember, you can always turn the sounds back on by following the same steps and tapping the toggle again if you ever wish to reactivate the feature. Before we wrap up, let me offer you a quick tip. If you're also looking to adjust other audio settings, like speech volume or music, you can find those options located nearby in the same sound settings area. Tailoring your app's audio settings to your liking can significantly enhance your overall learning experience, so take a moment to explore what works best for you. And there you have it, a simple way to turn off sound effects in Duolingo. I hope this tutorial helps create a more focused and customized learning environment for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay tuned, and happy learning!